Now we want to talk about solving equations. We've already talked about writing equations in slope-intercept form and how to solve for slope. Well, now what do we do once we have those equations and we need to solve for certain variables? So we're going to say we have an equation that is y equals 2x minus 1. And the problem is when x equals 4, what does y equal? You know the x value, so just take that number and substitute it in for x. So y equals 2 times 4 minus 1. And you solve to get your y value. So y equals 2 times 4 is 8, and bring down the minus 1. Now we subtract. Y equals 7. So when x is 4, y equals 7. Well, say we have that same problem. Y equals 2x minus 1. And this time, we don't know x, but we know that y is 9. You do the same thing. You know that y is 9, so substitute the 9 in for y. Now we got to solve to get x by itself. Opposite of subtracting 1 is to add 1. So we do that to both sides to keep everything balanced. 9 plus 1 is 10. Minus 1 plus 1, that would be 0, so they cancel out. All that's left over here is 2x. 2 and x are being multiplied, and the opposite of multiplying is to divide. So we did divide both sides by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 times x is just x, so the 2's cancel, and all that's left is x. So we get 5 equals x. So when y is 9, x equals 5.